This is around 100 acres sandalwood plantation, and this was planted along with the Melia dubia facing 10 by 12 space, and actually these around 7 to 8 years old plants. Because of water scarcity and some termite attack, the plants are drying now. So see, in the bottom the termite attack was there, and even the sunlight was heavy. That's why this bark was cracking. In the meantime, termite also attacked here, and because of that termite, now it has become cracked, and now it is recovering. And see, the leaves are completely dried. Now the leaves are recovering. So there is Lantana camara is one plant is here. So this has become a host for this plant. Because of this, now this plant is surviving. Otherwise, this plant completely would have dried. So this Lantana was giving support to the sandal plant, and because of that, now it is surviving, and it may recover and it may grow healthy after some time.
What can we do to improve this condition?
So this can be given some water, so some soil working, and in the bottom they can be given some fungicide treatment. They have to drench the fungicide near that near the roots, and soil working has to be done. And if they give little manure as well as some fungicide, so it will recover and it will grow. And they have to give some very good fungicide. So that will be better, and it will recover, and the sandal tree may grow fast.
Do you think you require another host in addition to what Lantana?
If they provide, it's well and good. Of course, it is 7 years old. I don't think it requires host now. Of course, if they give, it is better. If they provide one any good host at present, if they provide Sesbania or Casuarina, will be the better. And of course, Lantana is here. It is giving support to the plant. Of course, when it will become big. Then roots will not go. These Lantana roots will not go in deep. So that's why. So it may find some shortage of host. That's why they have to provide one tree type of host. Of course, here Melia dubia is there. So this will also help. But even then, if they provide one good host like Casuarina and Sesbania, will be better.
Okay, already it is branched out at the bottom.
Yeah. This actually there was no maintenance. When after some time during second year they would have taken care, and they would have allowed one straight shoot. Now it has forked, and because of that formation of hardwood become delayed. So that it will take long time to produce hardwood, and it may be around 20 to 25 years. So if it have one clear bowl, then they might have harvested within 20 years.